Jobs in Meghalaya 2024 notification. The Employment Exchange Shillong is organizing a placement drive on counseling session on available job opportunities on 8, 11 and 13 March 2024. Date-wise vacancy list 8 of March 2024 placement drive details. Post name second line IT support. Number of posts multiple. Location Shillong Meghalaya. Salary 30,000 to 35,000 per month. Essential qualification BSc or MSc or BTech or BE or BSc IT or BSc Computer Science in Computer. And the skill we have the PHP, MySQL, HTML, JavaScript, CSS, etc. Number 2, post name we have 3D modeler. Number of posts multiple. Location Shillong, Meghalaya. Salary 18,000 to 22,000 per month. Essential qualification 12 pass or graduate with knowledge of 3D modeling and animation. And the skills rendering in keyshots, modeling 3D objects using Maya or 3D Max. And then number 3, post name we have artwork originator, about post multiple, and we have location Shillong, Meghalaya. Salary 14,000 to 18,000 per month. Essential qualification 12 pass, graduates in fine arts, skill artwork using Corel Draw. And how to apply for model career center Shillong jobs on date of 8 of March 2024, that is the Friday. Reporting time 1 to 2 p.m. Registration we close at 2 p.m. sharp. So venue is at Employment Exchange Shillong. So it is mandatory. So kindly come with the following documents. And the documents, you should bring a copy of your certificate, one of your government approved ID cards like EPIC or Aadhaar or PAN card or passport or driving license. A candidate who are not registered in the Employment Exchange law are encouraged to do so. So on 11 March 2024, placement drive details, number of posts RAPIDO rider, number of posts multiple, open for both males as well as females. So kani kadi nagpanta gitu ki parlok junga ki bakwa ban kamay rapido. Ada di contain sendang ru pila ban simbanta pila ban kamay long ba kani ka rapido ki badon ki arsaka. Location Shillong Meghalaya. Essential qualification minimum 10 pass. Skill riding to two-wheeler. Must mandatorily have a two-wheeler with a valid license. So pilih bandon kajong ka valid license pipinyo ban rung hapo kani ka company rapido pipinyo ban kamay po Shillong. How to apply for Rapido riders jobs in Shillong. Kumno ba pin apply ya kani post Rapido po Shillong. Takade hakatari karwe tarik jong uma charger up sao. Kapor kande karwe am hadu karwe shitang am. Registration will be closed at 11:30 am sharp. And gajaka kande hapo employment exchange Shillong. Mandatory. Kindly bring a copy of your CV together with one of the government approved ID cards like EPIC or Aadhaar or PAN or passport or driving license. Haka karlai tarik ubuma charger saupan placement drive kalongumne post name customer care executive for Amazon and linkage process number of post multiple location Jaipur. Salary 26 to 32,000 per month. Essential qualification grade 12 pass with good communication skill in English language. Kani gadi po Jaipur ban longki nong tri po ka Amazons ti soba perlo pin ya simbanta ya kani kamru nang ba in long sisa kita ki beriu ki ba kiu ha ka yo kwat la da ni don la ka kam ka jam. And then number 2 post name ga senior sales executive. Number post multiple location Shillong and some location of Assam. Salary 15,000 to 18,000 per month. Essential qualification minimum 12 pass with a two-wheeler or a valid driving license. Paralog kumno ba pin apply ye kini ki post hapo model career center Shillong haga khalai tarik umaj arjar apsaw kata kade Wednesday sibala ka reporting time kande khatwe ru khatwe 10 am. Registration will be closed at 11:30 am sharps and the venue is at Employment Exchange Shillong. It is mandatory for all, so kindly come with the following documents. Pilaban one but kini documents yung pi kumki certificate baper kumba kilapan. One of the government approves ID cards. Pilih bendom on ki ID proofs ru kawin na pedeng kini lala de epic Aadhaar and a PAN card and a passport or driving license. Candidates who are not registered in the employment exchange, the candidates ki bompat register for employment exchange pilaban register hakati kasingi. So applicants are advised to go through the jobs of Meghalaya to 2024 and various jobs in Shillong official notifications. Take a description and sabu api yagaling apo ka description jonga pila ban klik nang to ba pila ruban yo ya kini ki notification ke bangana so sepi bat kumjuru ba pin yo ban download ka application form titang kini hi yamanta paralog baro subaban simkhia ya gani ba pin date ban apply ya kini ki kam ba pher te second dupat bat phi hagoi pat ka video kublai shubun subha ba phin ya like share bat subscribe ya kani ka khubor jonga